Ever wondered why you can't ask your ERP system for information? This got us thinking, and the end result was Ask nOra. Available from the Role Centre, I can say hi to nOra and she'll know who I am. Because she's integrated with the system, I can ask her questions like, what is the balance of one of our customers? Whenever she gives us a link, we can click it to open the card. As we're in the context of that customer, I can just ask for the address. Now I can simply say, get directions, and she'll tell me where I have to go. This is really handy for any people you may have on the road. Again, all of this works across any client in Dynamics NAV, including the phone client that was introduced in 2016. If she isn't sure, she'll ask you to confirm. For example, if we have items that have similar names. Next, I can say, order me an amount, and if the vendor specified against the item has any open purchase orders, she'll simply add it instead of creating a new one. If I ever get stuck, I can just say help, and she'll tell me what I can say to her. Now, I'll ask her to create a task for me to chase the Canon group. If I then go to my tasks for me, you'll see it's been added. Ask nOra also comes with her own website. You can even upload files, and she works exactly the same. She even has some built-in attitude, as she's very precious with her time. So there she is, Ask nOra, our smart search engine integrated into the system. If you like what you see, or you want to find out more, all of our contact details can be found on our website, www.thenavpeople.com.